Om Namah Shivaya children. Now we are going to see about our resources. So what is resources? Any guesses? A resources is a source or a supply from which the benefit is produced. Okay. So the resources have three main characteristics. The first one is utility, that is the usefulness. And the second one is limited availability. And the third one is potential for depletion or a consumption. Okay. So now we are going to see about the types of resources. There are two types of resources. One is natural resources and the next one is man-made resources. So what is natural resources? The resources that are provided by nature, and man-made resources means made by human beings. The example for natural resources are air, water, petroleum, like that. And man-made resources are machines, vehicles, roads, etc. So what is natural resource? A resource is something found in nature that people can use to meet their needs. So the types of natural resources. Here some examples are given like sun, forest, rock, minerals, animals, air, oil, water, soil, etc. So now what the natural resources and what percentage of natural resources we have in our earth, like wind power, solar energy, water resource, metallic minerals, crude oil, land resource, natural gas, animal resource, forest resource. We have a lot and lot of things in our earth. So here they are given a percentage of their productions. So the natural resource have two types. The one is non-renewable resource and the next one is renewable resource. So what does non-renewable resource means? The stock providing by the earth is constant in the period of relevanting for human planning. That is, they have only a limited stock. If once a stock exhausted means it will take nearly thousands of years to be renewed or replenished. And coming to renewable resource, it is get renewed quickly. Some of these are unlimited and not affected by human activities like solar, wind energy, like those things. So their characteristics can profitable. So here we have some examples for renewable energy sources. Examples are solar power, wind power, geothermal, biomass, hydropower, tidal energy, that is the energy from ocean. So these are all the natural energy sources that can be easily renewed, that can be easily or quickly replenished. Okay. And coming to non-renewable energy sources, example coal, petroleum, natural gas, nuclear power, still we have a deficient on this, right? Because they have only a limited stock and their stocks exhausted and it can take nearly thousands of years to be renewed.